Okay, Sky Team fans, it's your boy, that Sky Team Flyer, and look what came in the mail today. My silver medallion bag tags have arrived. Let's open this puppy up. As you can see, it is in a silver envelope, 6 inches by 9 inches. Address is computer printed right there. On the flip side, we have experience the medallion difference. Sky Miles in the corner. There is someone dragging a suitcase, and you have the Delta emblem up top. Here we go. Get the trusty rusty opener open. And we have all your travels have led to this. 2 awesome looking, high quality. They are about the same thickness, same feel as a credit card. You have the silver benefits, silver medallion member. Same thing on the back. Inside the envelope is the plastic things. Card backing. There we go. Now your boy Sky Team Flyer will be going for the gold. Will be gold medallion at some point in the middle of the year. A lot of flights coming up. Getting that Delta Reserve MQM 15,000 miles after 60K in spend. Check on the link below this in case you don't have a Delta Reserve. Enjoy your travels.